if we are on crash, make sure that the price is below this moving average. Okay, once the price is below, then apply that flip zone strategy. Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Hope we are good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing setup, right? So now I've been dropping histories of how um I trade, okay, the TP, the everything. Now many people keep asking me also which setup exactly are you using for this risk reward, high risk reward, 1:5, 1:4, 1:3, 1:6, and all that. Now I've shared the what I notice about traders is that they don't just believe in things, they most of the things, which I agree with you guys. You must not believe everything you see online. But what I'm saying is, when you see a strategy, try and test it. Give it time, test that strategy and see if it works. You're always looking for more strategy. You want more. You just think, oh, the one in the front, the one this person is hiding is the best. Why the person have actually given you his or her strategy out there? So I dropped a video about flip zone, okay, about flip zone a few days ago. And if you have not watched the video, just go and watch it, because everything I'm going to be talking here is about the flip zone, right? I just added one more thing to that video. So if you have not watched video on the flip zone, I think it should be 3 videos away from this one. So go back 3 videos away from this one, and you are going to see also, or watch my previous 3 videos. You are going to see everything about this strategy I'm going to be sharing also here. But I'm not going to go in deep in terms of flip zone again. So one thing you need to notice here is that I take trades when the price is above this moving average. Okay, this moving average, that's the first. I just use it as my directional bias, right? Then I will add my flip zone strategy for entry. So first, I use this moving average. Let me share with you the settings. You can see the settings here. Just take a screenshot. I don't want to waste time on this video, right? So if you set up this indicator, then what you need to do is that first of all, you have to make sure that you wait for the price to cross above this. That's why I turn on this history, so that you will see the exact place I made my entry. Okay, you can see all the places I made my entry. The price is above this. You can see here I have my entries here, I have entries here, this one too. Just that when I place this trade, the price must be above this. The price moving average lags. Okay, most time the price can actually shift from the position that is, the moving average can shift from the position you made entry, and it will now look like the price is below. But when I took the trade, the price was above this moving average. That's the condition. That's number one thing. So once the price is above my moving average, I will now apply the flip zone strategy for my entry. I'll apply the flip zone strategy for my entry. Apply the flip zone strategy for my entry. So don't miss out on this thing I'm sharing with you guys. Okay? So now the secret, that's why I turn on my history. After, if you want to do that, you come here, click on settings, then look at the history. That's how you keep everything transparent to people you want to like help to grow, because I want us to grow together. I am growing and I want you guys to grow with me in this channel. Now if you look at my history, I turn it on. If I turn it off, if you go here, you cannot see where I entered trade. But I just wanted to even go deeper, not just sharing with you the history of trade that played out. I also shared with you, even in the chart, my entry, so you know all these things is not like abracadabra stuff. Right now, if you look here, I took a lot of losses, guys. I want you to pay close attention to this. You can see I took a lot of losses. See, I lost this trade, I lost this trade, I lost this, I lost this, I lost it. This is about 4 or 5 trades just here within this zone, right? The only trade I made money is here. Okay, sorry, I made money in this one. But can you see how long this thing is? From here to here, even the distance, without looking at the whole thing, you know that the distance between from here to here covered all these things right here. So even with the losses I made, about 4 losses here, only this profit have covered everything I've been losing here, and even put me in good profit. That is exactly the secret of making money in this market. You must make sure that you don't actually pay attention to the losses. What you are focusing on is the profit, right? You want to make sure that you modify your profit in a way that each time you are hitting profit, you are hitting it big. Unless you want to be scalping all the time and you keep blowing accounts all the time, right? So if you look here also, look at another TP, you can see the distance without even opening my history. You can see everything. When I lose, you can see just where the distance. Let me use the distance instead of even using pips, right? So this is actually how you make money in this field. So the most important thing is to make sure that you have a strategy that gives you that room to leverage on risk reward, right? So strategy is not just the major thing, but you have to get a strategy that have potential of giving you 1:3, 1:2, 1:5, 1:6. Okay, so that's the for me a holy grail in this forex market, right? If you apply my flip zone strategy with this, and I've shared with you, I told you first of all, make sure that the price is above this moving average on boom. When you are catching spikes on boom. If you are on crash, make sure that the price is below this moving average. Okay, once the price is below, then apply that flip zone strategy. Okay, apply the flip zone strategy. Once the price bounce back, this is your entry, you are buying. And this is very simple, and you're going to make a lot of money with good risk reward. So you can set your stop loss here. Your TP should be times 4, times 5, times 6, and that way you will never see. Be like make yourself comfortable with losses first. Stop running away from losses. I know why most of us are running away from losses. Let me just blow your mind here. Okay, most of us that come from countries where the economy is not that nice, everything is struggle, and you have to work hard to even make a dollar or two. Then when you eventually make that money, when you eventually put together $10, $50, $100, it's very huge. You know how much time it took you to make that money, right? That is why you want to protect that money with your life, with your emotion, with everything. So you don't even want to lose a cent from that amount of money. That's the problem all of us, most of us that come from struggling or third world country or poor country are facing. This is the reason we find it difficult to become profitable, because that little amount of money that we struggle to make and put together and fund it, we now use our blood to protect that money, which is why we are still stuck in one place. I'm not saying you should throw the money away or throw it in the air, but first you have to accept that in this business there are risks associated with this business. So you have to accept the risk. You have to embrace the risk for the reward. You are doing it for the reward. And what is the reward? The reward is that if I am losing money, I don't care. The only thing is I know is that once I make one amount, okay, once I hit TP, once I hit my TP, I'll be able to recover all the losses I've been making. That's the confidence. That's what gives you that confidence that, okay, I'm losing money, but I know if I should hit one TP, I'm going to recover. That confidence will keep you making money in this field, no matter how little it is. But if you are just trying to protect the money you have in your balance, you don't want to lose even a cent, then you will not make money. And at the end of the day, you will lose it. So if you learn something from these few things I've dropped, like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow my Telegram group, subscribe to my Telegram channel. I also drop stuff here. That's where I drop this video link first. Everything is on that group. So make sure you join the Telegram link below the description of this video. Okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.